Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to pay with Apple Pay on Trainline. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Trainline application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have a profile, you can always go and register to Trainline. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the search where you can go and search for destinations and tickets that you would like to go to. And you can of course go to My Tickets, where you can go and find all of your tickets in one place. For example, at the moment I have the example ticket here. And at the end we have the account where you have all of your options of your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and pay with Apple Pay on Trainline. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the search bar and click from and to, so where you want to go, and then just click find times and prices. After that, you'll have a lot of destinations where you can go and choose to go from. After that, you just need to go and pay for them. As you can see, more ways to pay. Pay with Apple Pay, PayPal, and payment cards. So we have Apple Pay here. You at the checkout, you just need to go and check in and get the Apple Pay option. And that's basically how you can guys do it. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.